Adding greenery to a room is the perfect way to bring nature indoors. Hello everybody, I'm Rosalia Pereira and welcome to The Detalles. I wanted to bring the essence of nature by incorporating the greenery and height of a tree indoors. But with the limited light coming inside my house, the survival rate of the tree was minimal. I thought I could give it a try and make my own tree. For materials and instructions, check my blog, thedetalles.com. I foraged a few branches of a dead tree that looked interesting to me. Then I mixed and secured the branches with fast-setting concrete mix to an old plastic container. I was concerned with how much the tree will weigh when done, so I found a plastic container that will fit inside the ceramic pot where the tree was going to live. I wrapped craft paper around the container's edges to secure the branches during the cement drying process. I bought greenery bunches, divided some and left a few whole. I pre-drilled holes with a drill on the bottom of the tree trunk where the branch was the thickest to glue and insert the greenery bunches. On the thinner part of the tree trunk, I used a glue gun and florist wire to secure the leaves. The wire can be covered with some of the small leaves for a realistic look. I covered the craft paper that was holding the branches while the cement dried with moss all around for a finished look. I am really happy with the look of my statement tree. Not only does it look great, but it can be done on a small budget. A faux tree this big can cost between $300 to $700 depending on the supplier and size of the tree. I spent a total of $90 on greenery bunches to make my tree, not including the vase and available supplies. With creativity and a few supplies, you can create a statement tree for your indoor space. I hope this project inspires you to make your house beautiful. Until next time, make a difference with the details.